In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use limit and market orders in TradingView Spot Trading. Whether you are new to trading or looking to refine your skills, understanding the difference between limit and market orders is essential. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to TradingView.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. TradingView is a comprehensive platform for traders to analyze markets, plan trades, and execute them with precision. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper portion of the screen and click on the search bar. This will allow you to look up various trading pairs. For the purpose of this tutorial, type in your desired crypto pair. Let's use BTC USDT as an example. After you've selected your crypto pair, open the full-featured chart. This chart is packed with useful tools and data, offering you a better view and in-depth analysis of the market. Next, direct your attention to the bottom panel of the screen and click on Paper Trading. This feature is ideal for practicing your trading strategies without financial risk. It replicates real market conditions using virtual money. Within this panel, locate and click on the Trading panel. This is where you connect your paper trading account. Once you have everything set up, it's time to place some orders. Look for the Buy or Sell buttons and click one to open the order panel. This panel is the command center where you make all trading decisions. Here you have the option to select a market order or a limit order. Let's break down why and when to use each one. A market order is fairly straightforward. If you select this type, your trade will execute immediately at the current market price. This is ideal for traders who need to get into a position quickly and are less concerned about minor price fluctuations. To execute a market order, simply click the Buy or Sell button. On the other hand, a limit order gives you more control over the price at which your trade is executed. This option allows you to specify the exact price you're willing to buy or sell at. The trade will only execute when the market reaches that price, making it a valuable tool if you anticipate a specific price level. In the order panel, manually enter your preferred price, then set your order amount. Finally, click Buy or Sell to place your limit order. After placing either type of order, it's crucial to manage and track them. Click on the Orders tab located at the bottom of your screen. This section will display all your open orders, allowing you to monitor their status or cancel them if needed. And that's all there is to it. By mastering both limit and market orders in TradingView, you'll not only optimize your trading strategies, but also ensure you're making informed, strategic decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy